cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Hyundai Ioniq 9 and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the rim looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire rim. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the rim. You can wash the vehicle if you have your own car washing products. That would be perfect in order to help remove all the contaminants that the rim may have. However, if you don't have time for a car wash or you don't have the products for your car wash to wash the vehicle, you can also use slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water, and to help remove any wax, oils, or any grease that the rim may have. You can also use tag solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So with this one, we will need to spray the actual rim, and we're going to need a clean microfiber towel to remove all the contaminants that the rim may have. And then for the tag solution, just spray it onto the microfiber towel. So you'll probably need 2 clean microfiber towels to do the whole prep process. And once you're done with the prep, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the chrome panels without lifting over time. So once we're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. So this is how the kit will look for the wheel chrome delete. All the pieces are exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which one you grab. Just make sure you just start by aligning it and tagging it down. So when you have your film, go ahead and just place it right on the edge. Make sure you're covering the entire panel here. And before you tag down everything, make sure everything stays aligned so it's covering here. So we have coverage here, but make sure everything is being covered here as well. So you need to lift it and adjust it, you can. To make things easier, you could start here, but it might be a little difficult to have the alignment to cover here. So just start by aligning it on this edge. Work your way here, bring everything down, make sure it's covered here. And then you will need to lift and adjust again in case you do have a big finger here, and then just finish off here. And once you're done placing the film, you will go ahead and grab your squeegee, start removing all of the air bubbles that are trapped underneath the film. And once we finish removing all the air bubbles, we're going to apply heat to seal the entire edge of the film, that way it doesn't lift over time. And don't forget about the inside edges here. And then the same step that was done here, you will repeat it to the remaining pieces here. Pretty simple. So just take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with the install, the last thing would be to post heat. So like I mentioned, the last thing to do once you finish with the install and you remove all of the bubbles underneath the film is to post heat everything. So you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly throughout the entire film That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and also we prevent the edges from lifting over time. So take your time applying heat, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete installation for the Hyundai Ioniq 9. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other kits for the Ioniq 9. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.